Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a new song and picking a primary instrument so you can record immediately. Choose track's view, set tempo, and enable the metronome to stay tight. This helps timing when layering parts. Arm the first track and test a short phrase. If levels clip, lower input gain. Once you hear a clean take, tap record and play intentionally. Short takes are easier to edit than long ones, so keep each pass focused. After your initial pass, add overdubs on separate tracks so you can mix later. Use headphones to avoid bleed into the next recording. Once recorded, pinch zoom the timeline, split or trim regions, and drag to reorder or loop sections. This builds structure. Then open Smart Controls to apply reverb, echo, and gentle compression to shape each sound. Subtle changes improve clarity. When done, label tracks and lock takes that you won't change to avoid accidental edits. Finish by balancing levels, panning for stereo space, and listening on multiple devices to catch issues. Use the mixer to trim peaks and add a master limiter if needed. Once satisfied, go to Share and export as a song at 44.1 or 48 kHz depending on your destination. If playback or recording stutters, make sure background apps are closed and AirPlay is off. Restart Garageband and check input permissions. If problems persist, reboot the device and test with a new simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.